Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on OneSpotMedia.com. A reminder as well that you can watch TVJ live by downloading our OneSpot Media app in the Google Play Store or the App Store. That's the number 1, followed by the words Spot and Media. Investigators in Westmoreland are still busy as they search for clues surrounding a brutal crime. It's a case of multiple killings, including that of a couple, and burnt bodies that has left relatives shocked and bewildered. We have more in this report. It's a busy crime scene involving police investigators and firemen. It took place Friday evening.
Yesterday, the 24th at 4:59, we got a call for a house on fire at Brighton District, near Little London. On our arrival, as one apartment house was seen on fire. After cooling down processes were finished, the bodies of 4 persons, they are not being identified as yet because they were burnt beyond recognition. So 4 persons were burnt to death. We heard from the police that they were shot and the house set on fire.
Dead are Alwyn Ziggy Clark and his wife. Alwyn's brother Darren Walters is also dead.
I'm very traumatized about the incident as I have just recently lost a brother, a younger brother, and this is just making things worse. They were not involved in any wrongdoing. I don't know why, but it's very dramatic. It's very hard to say.
She described Darren as quiet and secretive. The wife was described as silent. Alwyn's father is finding it difficult to cope.
I'm very, very upset with what happened. I try to put the best outside, but it's affecting me really deeply, you know.
As he grieves the loss of his son, he noted the national crime crisis.
I love him very much though, and I hope that we find a way to solve some of this crime situation that we're having in Jamaica. We are rated number 5 in the world. It's not so good for us as a small country. We have to find a way to live in peace and love, as our heroes have taught us. And just like our sisters and brothers, we're doing great in the world today. So we need to cut the crime and be more progressive.
The other victim in the house has been identified as 31-year-old Wayne Tomlinson. He is from a St. Elizabeth address.